Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in CapCut PC. Here you can see I have a video and I want to change the aspect ratio in this video. First of all, you have to import your video clip into the timeline, then go to ratio option. Here you can see I have a video and this is 16:9 ratio. I want to change this ratio. So for that, first of all, you can see here is a ratio option, aspect ratio. Click here and choose anyone from here. I think sometime it's very important ratio for content creator, or you can also say this one. Nowadays this is very popular for reels or short video. That's it. I think this is helpful. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.